Hello friends, Hashmi here. Many people are asking if Portugal is not having any other option for the immigration and there is no chance. As I explained in many previous videos that this is not the case. There are a lot of options are available, and as for the being a student or for the students, there are a lot of options are always there. Like Article 92, and for the students for a high secondary school, for the university student, for professional student, options are always there. Only two articles are closed, which are 88, like the job, and 89, like self entrepreneur. Those are closed, but even there are many other options for anyone who is coming as a legal person into the Portugal. They have many other options. And then many people are asking if they need some consultant or some agent to do their all work. Honestly, this is my personal opinion that you don't need any consultant or agent to do your job. The processes here are very simple, and even I didn't see any capable agent or consultant to do your job. Many people, they will just take money from you, they will just initiate your process, and ultimately you have to do your own work. So no need to hire any consultant, any agent for your job. You just gradually you can do your own job without any consultant, without any agent. Processes are very simple, student processes are very simple, and honestly I didn't see any capable person. Like I was also looking for few of my friends for some best consultant and some reliable agent, but I didn't find. Honestly, this is my honest feedback for you guys. Everyone is just eager to take money from you, but they are not doing your work completely. So why you are giving money to the consultant who are actually not interested to complete your work? Better you do your own. And for any information, any extended information, any like a basic information, I'm always there. You can send me a message and I will happy to help you free of cost, because I just want you to guide for the matters. So what is the conclusion? That the immigration is still going on, Article 90, D2, D7, D8, and the student option 92 is still there. You can have still opportunities there. But of course, the only thing which is not there anymore is the illegal immigrants. Illegal immigrants are not welcomed in Europe, and you cannot find any place if you are coming here as illegal immigrants. For the legal person, there are always chance, the small business you can establish, and on that basis you can still get the TRC in Portugal. And as I told, the main purpose for this video is to suggest any suitable agent or consultant. I don't recommend anyone. I didn't find any capable person. I didn't find any up to the mark consultant here. That's why I'm not suggesting. And I know that this process is very simple. The lawyers are very easy to access. If you need any information, if you need any assistance, it's very easily available here and on very reasonable rates. So you don't need to pay huge amount to the consultant. Many consultants are working online and they are just claiming they can do anything, but once you are paying them, then they will not respond. Even I'm here, I have done many jobs through some consultant, but once you are paying them, they will not respond to you. That's why I'm suggesting that don't pay any money to the consultant. They are mostly scams, and if you want to do anything, you can do by your own, or you can get very reasonable rate from the lawyers. And each street having few lawyers, and you can get those very easily. The important thing is that if you can come here and you do your process by your own, then it's very simple. For the even for the student matters, It's very easy. Like you approach the university, they are doing everything online. You can get the admission for your kids, especially for the Middle East people. If they are getting the admission for their kids, it's very easy to get the immigration through your kids. So if your kids are studying, their results are good, or you can sponsor their education. So on their education base, even you can get the TRC for the protocol. So if you need any information, I'm always willing to help my friends, and even I'm not aware of those people. They are sending me a lot of messages, and I'm helping them by giving them the correct lawyer numbers or helping for the day-to-day matters. So my friends, no need to pay any money to any consultant, and it's very simple. Portugal immigration is most simplest in the world. So thank you very much.